Hi guys, André Sousa. I have a three statements for you guys. First one is my father was a head coach of prestolov national team of Bahrajna. Second one, my sister have a Michelin star restaurant in Setubalu. And third one, my TV show favorite is Game of Thrones. What do you think is wrong, guys? I love Game of Thrones because you have too much stories happens and you all connect, and for me it's interesting and I love mythical stuff. My father was a head coach of national team of Bahrajna for years, and the wrong one is my sister not have Michelin star restaurant. She is a bad cooking, just make a few cookies and this stuff, and she loves fashion. This is her passion.